Okay, now I will show you how to spam comment on groups using empathy care. First, you need to create the comment content in content management. Add a category name comment and we add post. Select category comment and the type is comment. Enter the titles and enter the content. You could else like spin the structure like that. Hi, hello, check my IB. Okay, and you could also upload media and post by sequentials or random. Okay, we'll press save. And next, we will also use command functions and we'll use command on post. Okay, first, we set the interval between two actions, maybe 20 to 15, 30 seconds. Switch account on consecutive arrows 3 times. And we select the content, press save, and click on allow duplicate content between accounts. And we will comment by group ID or profile or group and engage or group ID or post ID. Okay, comment by profile means you spam comment on other Facebook account, profile wall. Comment by group and engage means your account will like comment on the groups that your account have joined. And comment by group ID, you have to enter the group ID here. For example, I have a list of group ID. I will paste to the software and we press save. Okay, and if you want to comment by post ID, you should enter the ID of the post to the software. Okay, with a max comment per account means how many posts in one group that you want your account to comment. Usually I set three, mean with each group ID your account will comment 3 posts on that group. And max comment per account how many group I will set it to 3 also. It means in the 36 ID that I have add to the software, each account of mine will comment on 3 groups. And we could tick on no duplicate comment on group ID means your account will like not comment on the same group. Okay, and we could like select the account category and tick on the account you want to run and press start to begin like a spam comment on the group by group ID.